So I am currently working on making a separate workstation for the laser, because as you can see, I can't do anything else on my workbench because the laser's taking up so much space. So I've started making one. I'm literally just using the scraps of wood that I've got in the workshop. So I've just got a bit of OSB there, and I've just framed it out with scraps of wood for now. So the next part of this build are the legs. So I'm now going to sift through my pile of reclaimed wood here to find something useful for the legs. So I've got the 4 legs cut. The first one is in place, the other ones are here. They've all been squared off as well, so they go nicely into the corners. Very simple. A screw in that side, a screw in that side, and yeah, they're not too bad, not too shabby. They're quite strong as they are, but we're going to put some braces across as well. So I'm going to get on with it. We are progressing well. Legs are on, all the cross braces are in. It's nice and sturdy, but it is really heavy, solid, chunky piece of workshop furniture. And the most important thing that we now need to do is apply these castors, not casters, castors. So here we go. All 4 castors are on, and I'm ready to flip it over and see what we've got. Fingers crossed it doesn't collapse. I thought I'd show you this bit just so you can see me struggle. Here we go. Bends and knees, which is heavy. Dragging doesn't matter in here. Flip it. Casters work. You can see my problem here. What I'm going to do is put the brakes on the casters. Right. Down. There, put the brake on the caster. Try again. There we go. There we go. Take the brake off. Hey! Woo! Job done.